Portobello mushrooms, they're really excellent on the grill. There are a lot of things we can do with this. If I was gonna put it on the grill, I personally oil, salt, and pepper on the grill. But here's the thing. You can just leave it as is together and put it on the grill. It could be a nice substitute for a burger, but look at all the spores that it has. Okay, so if you don't mind your mushroom staining your board or your sauté, this is the way I would cut it for my pasta or for my salad. Just cut it in half, and then start doing this nice cuts. Now, here's the thing. Here is where all the spores of the mushrooms are saved, and they will leave this kind of pigment, whatever it is that you're gonna put them. So to avoid that, little technique that I use is I take a spoon and I want to gently scrape back. And I know there's a more scientific name for this, but it's basically where all the spores are, and it will release that into the air and more mushrooms will be born. So gently clean it back like this. And now when I cook it or when I saute it, it will not release that brown color, which is not bad. But aesthetically you might not want to have these colors staining your saute or your vinaigrette. And of course, after you're done with this, now your mushroom is ready to grill, to be standard breaded procedure, to be deep fried, to be sliced, to be prepped any way you want. And let me just show you here. Now when you cut it, it cuts clean and it doesn't leave any of the stains from the, again, it's merely something that is eye-catching, but it will take out all this staining in your food or in your pasta. And I would just keep dicing like this, and it's ready for the sauté.